In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to connect Zoho Books to Google Sheets or Excel for a seamless integration of your accounting data with your favorite spreadsheet software. Let's start this tutorial by navigating to your home screen. The journey to connect Zoho Books with Google Sheets or Excel begins right from your home base that houses all the handy shortcuts to your important files or apps. Take a moment to check everything on your screen before we proceed to the next step. Once you are on your home screen, you need to look for the Create button. This button is usually prominently placed, so you should not have a hard time spotting it. Clicking this button will open up a list of options for creating various kinds of content. But, for now, our focus is to set a connection between Zoho Books and Google Sheets or Excel. Next, you need to find and click on Zaps, an incredibly powerful tool that lets you automate tasks between different web-based apps. By using Zaps, we can streamline the connection between Zoho Books, Google Sheets, or Excel. Moving ahead, click on the Trigger button that will initiate the process of automating tasks. Think of it as the green light that sets things in motion. Now, you need to type Zoho in the search bar that appears after you click on the Trigger button. This step is designed to point out the specific app you want to automate tasks with. From the options displayed, you should be able to easily locate Zoho Books. Select it by clicking on it. This selection signals that we're choosing to automate tasks using Zoho Books. After this, you have to select a specific trigger. Click on Trigger Event and choose one from the options that drop down. Clicking on New Item after picking an event will help the system understand what you want to set as a trigger. The next step takes us towards connecting your desired spreadsheet software, either Google Sheets or Excel. Locate the Action button and click on it. From the list that unfolds, look for Google Sheets. Clicking on Google Sheets takes us an inch closer to the final connection. Following this, you need to choose an event. Similar to the Trigger event, the Choose an Event option enables you to select a specific action. After you have decided on your event, click on Copy Range. By doing this, we're telling the system exactly what process needs to be initiated every time the trigger event takes place. To confirm everything is working as intended, run a test. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Zoho Books to Google Sheets or Excel. Now you can easily transfer data between the two platforms and streamline your work tasks.